Do you know that WordPress table block is much more powerful than it seems? As you know, we have a WordPress table block where you can insert data, like you can insert text in the table and showcase it like this. But what if you can insert images into this table? You can insert a button in it, you can insert headings, list items. So you can do that using the WordPress default table block. So as you can see that I have created a table like this where I have inserted images into the WordPress table, and I have inserted code, I have highlighted a text, I have added a button in the table, I have added a list element or a h2 element. So let's check how we can create an advanced table like this where you can insert multiple elements instead of just adding plain text in your table block. And by the way, if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe our channel for more videos like this. So let me type advanced table block. So let me click on plus and let me search for the table block that comes with the WordPress. So let me click on that, and here you can set the row count. So let me add 5 rows and 2 columns. Let me click on that. Now you can insert header here. So let me add images and let me add text or labels. And to insert images into our table, you can just simply click on this arrow icon, and here you will see an option inline image. Just click on that. Now you will be able to insert images. So let me click on here. And as you can see, our image is inserted. Now let me click on second row. Let me click on here and let's click on inline image. And let me select a different image here. And as you can see that we have inserted images to our WordPress table. Now let's check how you can insert button inside this table. So for this, all you have to do is click on the plus icon and just search for the default button that comes with WordPress. And let me type like shop now. And I can click on here and let me add a link here. So let me link to services pages. Alright, now let me click on this button and let me click on copy. Now I can delete it from here. Now I can add a text like button. Now all I have to do is click on this 3-dot menu and click on edit as HTML, and I need to search for the text button. And here it is. This is the button text. So let me select that and let me paste here. Now let's click on edit visually, and as you can see that we have the shop now button added in our table. So you can remove any extra space here. So let me click on here and let me remove that, or I can click on here, click on edit HTML, and let me search for that button code. Here it is. So let me remove this extra BR tag from our table content, and let me click on edit visually, and as you can see that we have our shop now button. So you can also remove the image and you can add your product name, and let me remove this image and let me add product 2, and you can add a similar button here as well. So let me click on publish and let me click on view post, and as you can see that we have the shop now button, and I can click on the shop now button which will redirect to my services pages. So let me go back here. Now let's check how you can insert heading as well in the table. So for this you can do the same, just add a heading here. So I can say like heading 1, and let me click on copy and let me replace the product 1 with the heading. So let me click on edit, and here I will select the product 1 and let me paste that heading code. And as you can see that I have the heading 1, so I can remove this extra space like this. And this is how you can insert heading to your WordPress table. You can also do the same with list element. So let me click on list and let me add a list of CMS platform. So let me add WordPress, Wix, Shopify, and let me click on here and let me click on copy, and let me add a text list, and then I will click on edit HTML and let me search for that list, and I will paste like this, and I can remove all the extra space from here. Let me click on edit visually, and you can remove this space like this. And as you can see that we have removed all these spaces and we have added a list element inside our table. So this is how you can insert different elements. You can insert code here. So let me click on here, click on the down arrow, and here you will see an inline code. Just click on here and you can write your code, or you can highlight everything and click on inline code, and you will be able to add a code inside the table. And you can also highlight a text. So let me set a text like highlighted text, and you can select all from here, and here you will see the highlight option, and here you can set a color for the highlighted text. As you can see, it is now showing in red, or by default it will show the black color. So let me type like default text. So if you click on here and select the text and change the text color, then it will affect to all of the elements. But if you select the highlighted options, then it will only change the selected element. So let me change it back to black, and I can change this highlighted color here. So let me click on highlight, and I can change a different color like this. So this is how you can add a highlight, and you can also add a background color if you want, like this. So this is how you can insert different elements. So all you have to do is just copy the block code. So just click on here and you need to click on copy, and then you need to go to the table, and here let's click on edit HTML, and you can insert that just by selecting the text and replace the code there. So this is how you can insert images, headings, buttons inside your table and make it more effective. So I hope you found this trick helpful, and if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you. Bye bye.